Hello students, in this session you are going to learn chapter 8 Strings and String Manipulation part 3. Today we will discuss about string operators. String operators. So Python provides the following operators for string operations. First concatenation, next append, next repeating, next string slicing, and last stride when slicing string. So we will see each operator one by one. First, concatenation. Concatenation means joining and the operator used is plus. So joining of two or more strings is called as concatenation, and the plus operator is used to concatenate strings in Python. And in the given example, we are joining the two strings welcome and Python using plus operator. So we will get the output as welcome Python. Next, append operator. So adding more strings at the end of an existing string is known as append, and the operator plus equal to is used to append a new string with an existing string. So we can add a new string with an existing string using plus equal to operator. So in the given example, we had assigned the string computer to str1 variable, and in the next line we are joining the string science to the variable str1 using plus equal to operator. So if we print str1, we will get the output as computer science. That is, the new string science is added to the existing string computer using append operator. Next, repeating operator. The multiplication operator asterisk is used to display a string in multiple number of times. So using multiplication operator, we can repeat the strings as many times you want. Next, in the given example, we had assigned the value welcome to str1, and in the next line we are printing str1 into 4 times. So the string welcome will be displayed 4 times in the output. Next, string slicing. Slice is a substring of a main string. That is, slice is a part of main string, and a substring can be taken from the original string by using square bracket operator and index. So the operator used for string slicing is square bracket. Thus, square bracket is also known as slicing operator. And using slice operator, we can slice one or more substrings from a main string. And the general format of slice operation is str square bracket start index value colon and then end index value, where start is the beginning index and end is the last index value of a character in the string. And one thing you have to remember, that Python will always start the index value from 0 and end with the index value n-1. For example, if you want to slice first 4 characters from a string, then you have to specify it as 0 to 5. Now in the given example, we are slicing a single character from the given string. So we are giving print str1 of 0. So T will be sliced from the given string Tirukkural. Next, in example 2, we are slicing a substring from index 0 to 4. So we will get the output as Thiru. That is, starting from the index value 0 to 5 minus 1, 4. So till 4th position the characters will be displayed. Next, in example 3, we are slicing a substring using index 0 to 4 but without specifying the beginning index value. So by default, it will print from the index value 0. So we will get the output as Thiru, that is from 0th position to 4th position the characters will be displayed. Next, in example 4, we are slicing a substring from the starting index value 6 but without specifying the end index value. So by default, it will take the end value as n minus 1. So the characters will be displayed from 6th position in the output. So we will get the output as Kural. Next, this is an example program to slice substrings using for loop. So here we had assigned the string computer to the variable str1. Next, we are assigning the index value as 0. Next, for I in str1. So how many times this loop will be executed means till the end of the character in str1. So the number of characters in computer is what? 8. So 8 times this for loop will be executed. Next, print str1 square bracket. So this operator is called slice operator. And here we didn't mention the start index value. So by default, it will take from 0. And the end value is 1. Remember, always it will consider the end value as n minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So it will print the 0th position character C first. Then again we are incrementing the index value by 1. Next again it will come to the print statement. Here the start index value is 0 and the end index value is what? 2 minus 1. So it will print from 0th position character C and the first position character O. Like that it will be incremented till it reaches the last character. So we will get the output computer in the desired format. Next, today's assignment questions are: first, define append operator. Next, what is slicing? So with this, I conclude our class today. Thank you.